Today I'm popping in to do a quick review on the Garvee nightstand or end table. This is really nicely made. You can see here's the size, here's my hand. So it is a pretty good size. It has the 2 drawers. These have a pretty decent depth on them. I'd say they're about 3 inches deep. They have a really good size, so you can fit quite a bit in these. They have nice little brass gold handles, very modern. They slide and close pretty easily. Both drawers are about the same. And then you also have this nice little area to put books and whatnot. Pretty good height, probably about 4.5, 5 inches here. Overall, the finish on the outside is really nice too. It is a faux wood, but it does have a really nice natural look to it. And you have like this ridging on both of these drawers that just give it a really nice texture, a really nice look. You have kind of a modern angle on the feet, so you can see all the feet are kind of angled that way. This did come very nicely packaged. Everything was very safely tucked in the box, so I didn't have any issue with damage or chipped corners or anything like that. And it did come with quite a few pieces, but it does come with step-by-step instructions, and I had no problem putting it together myself. It did take me about 30 minutes to set the whole thing up. So it does take a little bit of time, but it wasn't difficult whatsoever. You have rounded edges on the front. The tabletop is also rounded. It does have a really nice, thick, matte kind of finish on the top and all the sides, so everything kind of matches. I do like that because it feels like it's really going to help with like if you have a wet cup or anything like that. And the thing I absolutely love about this night table, end table, is that it does come with the outlet and the 2 USB plugs. So that is super helpful. All you have to do is plug that in to the tabletop. The cord comes out the back. This is a really nice heavy-duty quality cord. So you can see it's really nice and thick, has the rubberized coating on the outside. The back is also covered in that faux wood. You have your angled night table feet. All of the sides have that same exact finish. So no matter where you set this in your house, you're gonna, be able to look at it. You're not gonna have any ugly sides or anything like that. And again, it has those really nice angled feet on it. If this is a product you are considering, I do recommend it. This is a product the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully my review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not, but we are really going to enjoy this.